duck says,
quack, quack.
the pig says,
Oink, oink.
the owl says,
Hoot, hoot.
I like field trips.
So
Did you
fun
guys being
being
outside?
I know.
Look. Ooh.
Okay, children, all set to show your little friends their new home?
Yeah!
Ha!
Drum roll. Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Look with your eyes.
Kay.
They're gonna grow legs. They are? Look! I think this one looks kind of different. So many spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow. I wonder if they get freckles like people.
Huh? Oh, yeah, you see that? When it wriggles, the freckles move. I really like that one. Can I have it?
We can't keep them. Mrs. Kim said we're just watching. Let's not hurt them, Kay. They're our tiny friends.
I'm only just pretending. Besides, I saw it first, so it's gonna be mine. Swim, little squirmy. Who's gonna be a froggy? Wiggle, 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 and jump.
That still doesn't mean it's yours. Let's take care of the tadpoles together. We should love them equally. We don't want one to feel left out, do we?
That one. It's mine. Hey, little guy, you need a good name. I love the spots on my tadpole, so I'm gonna call it Speckles. Up here, Speckles. Cool. Mine is gonna be gigantic. That's why I'm naming it Gigantosaurus. Like a dinosaur. Gigantosaurus Rex. I know. Let's give them all names. Good idea. This one should be Stumpy, and
I
that
want
one...
to name one too. Let me do it. Wait, I'm sorry. I just want to name our friends together. What do you say? Let's hurry. It's almost recess. Okay, guys?
Wow, that's a cool space creature.
No, Dad. It's supposed to be a tadpole. It's my new friend.
Oops. Right, I see it now. Boy, it's a big one.
And a cute one.
Cutest one I've ever seen.
Dad, know what? Our class went on an adventure and we caught a whole bunch of them.
Well, isn't that exciting? Good for you.
And you see this part here? Mine has pretty spots. I counted 7 of them.
Oh, must mean it's special. I know you're gonna take really good care of it.
Promise. You're my favorite tadpole in the whole universe, Speckles. Mommy! Mom, wake up! Time to go to school. I've got to see Speckles.
Did I sleep in this morning? Huh? What's the hurry? It's still way too early to go.
Speckles needs its breakfast.
Oh, I don't think tadpoles eat breakfast. Just give it a big lunch.
But you said everyone should eat breakfast before school. Mommy, it's time for me to go to school. Can't you hurry up? I need to see Speckles.
I know, sweetie. And you've been such a patient girl. Just a few more seconds, Kay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, done. Come on, Mom!
Oh. Hey, honey, can you walk Kongsuni down to the bus stop?
Oh. You're sure up early for a Saturday? Gonna be the best weekend ever.
School day.
Right, of course. Silly me. The week's just started.
All right. Time to freshen your water. This will make you happy.
You coming?
Yes, be right there.
Cool, right? Yeah, it's the best. Morning, Miss
No,
Kay.
slow down. No running, remember?
Good morning, Miss Kim. We're a bit early.
Nice to see you, Eve.
Roar!
Oh,
Morning, Mr. Dinosaur.
No!
Oh.
Where'd it go?
Huh? What's the matter, Kongsuni?
How come my tadpole isn't in the fishbowl?
Take another close look. Maybe it's hiding. They can be sneaky.
I don't see it, Miss Kim.
Yeah, me neither. It's gone! My speckles is gone! Come back to me!
Kongsuni, please don't cry. We can find you a different tadpole.
I don't want another one. I just want mine.
I'll be right over here, okay, sweetie?
Kongsuni, are you feeling any better?
Huh. I keep hoping I'll go back and find it in the fishbowl.
Yeah, I know. It was definitely the coolest one of the whole bunch.
It was big and it had those marks. But not just that, it was so special to me. I'll never find another one like it.
I know we're not allowed to keep them, but you could pretend to have my tadpole.
No, I can't! Your tadpole isn't the same!
Yeah, I guess you're right. They're all one of a kind. Just like people. There's nobody else like us. Hey, I know.
Huh?
Want to ride bikes, maybe? That always makes me happy.
Why are you walking like that? Ugh, I'm getting dizzy.
Can't you think of something, Sao?
Oh, hang on. I got nothing.
How about this? We solve it like a mystery!
Mystery?
Like on TV. At the end, they always find the answer. I can do that too!
Like a detective. Perfect. You know what this calls for?
What?
A special mystery solving costume. What else?
Oh, yeah. I like it.
Now you're all set. Everything else is gonna be easy. So, what do you think?
I love my new outfit. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Sao.
Okay, Sleuth. Ready? We're off.
Let's go. We've got to find my tadpole. Nothing's gonna get in our way.
I know. Nah, won't work.
I've got a plan. We need to be detectives.
We do?
When there's a riddle, the guy with the hat finds the answer. And that could be me.
Great idea. But first, you're gonna need a hat.
What?
On TV, you know how Sherlock and those guys look.
Yeah, right. You're on.
Yes, much better. Ready for your first mystery. Come on, let's get going.
I love it so much. Seal, thank you. Your magic power's the best.
Oh, yeah? Well, you know.
We can do it. We're gonna find my tadpole, and nothing's gonna stop us.
I sure hope you're right. Wait, you're onto something. Be positive. Am I right?
Yeah!
I'm a detective looking for my tadpole. Yahoo! I've got to search everywhere I can. All around the room, I've got to look. Can't miss a thing. I've got to think. We will solve this mystery. Yo, Kongsuni! Yo, Sao! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, clap your hands. High five, best of friends, yeah! We'll keep on looking until we find him. Yahoo! Maybe I'll look behind the couch or on the desk. Under this book, we'll track it down. Kongsuni and Sayo. We will solve this mystery. Yo, Kongsuni! Yo, Sayo! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, always best of friends. First, I'll set up a lost and found file, and then we can type in all our clues. Okay, now I need to know what it looks like. You know, height, weight, that kind of stuff?
Small, black. And the last time I saw it, it was at school. It can't be far, because it doesn't even have legs.
No mustache, no beard, slippery.
Today's the day we're gonna bring it back to school. No way it can stay missing forever. We just have to find the water that it's made a new home in.
Now that's using your brain, my little detective. So, we'll look for fresh water that's near your school.
Into the store, please, Kongsuni.
Huh? Fresh water!
Can I help you find something, miss?
Hey, mister. I'm looking for my new friend Speckles. Have you seen it?
No. Is it a cat? Or maybe a fluffy dog?
Not even close. It's a tadpole. And the prettiest and biggest one in my whole school.
Huh.
And know what? It doesn't even have its legs yet.
Oh.
I bet it's in there. It loves cold water, and maybe it even loves bean sprouts. I know I do.
Well, miss, we don't really get a lot of tadpoles here.
Right. Tadpoles don't need groceries.
Do you want to keep looking? All right, that's what I like to hear.
You know what? I think I just might have a hunch. Huh. Sam, how come your hand's all wet? Were you looking for Speckles? The mud puddles, that's where you were looking.
Who, me?
So, did you find it?
No.
All right. Now where do we go to next? I could search around the bathrooms, and maybe you can check in the kitchen.
I'm sorry. I can't keep looking for it right now. I'm supposed to go to my neighbor's house. You know what? Maybe it's time to stop looking for your tadpole. It's probably fine. If you're still gonna look, I can help you later.
Interesting. Huh? Eve.
Huh?
Any clues to share with Detective Kongsuni?
Detective?
I mean, find anything suspicious?
Like what?
You know, anything that would help me find my Speckles?
Oh, right. I guess I forgot about that.
I can't forget. My friend's lost. And I'm not gonna rest until it's home safe. That's my promise. You have an eagle eye, and that's what I need on my team.
Can you start without me and I'll catch up with you later? I have a singing lesson today and I need to practice more. It's hard to remember all the words to my new song. I really hope you find your tadpole friend, though.
What? You don't want to be my detective partner? It's a super important job, you know. Come on, Eve. Let's sing. We're gonna help you practice.
Okay, thanks a lot, guys.
We could sing while we look for clues. You can change the words to places we should look, and you can make tadpole sounds.
Kongsuni? Tadpoles don't make any sounds.
Yeah, you might be right. What if we just yell Speckles?
Hey, girls, want to go outside? Maybe we could play catch.
Sure, I will.
Yeah, let's throw a ball.
I love playing ball.
I love playing ball too.
I have work to do. I can't go out and play ball.
Good catch. Good throw. Let me get it. Oh, I missed. Again. Go get it. Don't throw it at me. No.
How come nobody wants to help me find it?
No one can understand just why I feel so sad. No one can understand how I miss you so. I think about you every day. Please come on home.
welcome, miss. Can we help you?
How much for all this stuff?
Let's find out. That's 1 coin.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Come again soon. Now, who's next?
Me.
That's a lot of bread.
That's not the right way. You should buy a little bit of everything. Get it? Do you want to take it back and start again?
No, it's not a mistake. Tadpoles get hungry too. I was thinking Speckles might like some bread.
I doubt it. Nah.
Huh?
A frog! Someone put it outside!
No, wait! It's looking at me!
Get it away!
No, my shoe! Come on, Eve. You can't just stand there.
Is it gone? Somebody get it off! Did it just hop? Where did it go now, guys?
So, about that frog. It's right on your head.
Make it stop! This isn't funny anymore!
Huh?
Nobody move. I've got this under control.
Huh?
I caught it.
That is so scary.
You can open your eyes. It won't hurt you.
You saved us. Thank you, Detective.
Sure.
I feel bad for not helping you search more. I know your tadpole wasn't really a pet, but it still meant a lot to you.
Thank you. I'm lucky to have friends like you, and sorry I got upset before.
Wow.
I was scared. Good thing
He jumped as high as the
Kongsuni
frog.
So, are you gonna let it outside?
came. Right, out where it belongs. Huh? Look, spots!
What do you mean, Kongsuni?
Speckles!
Who are you talking about?
See? 7 spots. Just like my tadpole. Guys, this is Speckles.
I don't believe it.
All this time you were looking for it.
And it was a frog.
You sure?
Positive. I'd know it anywhere.
You think it was in the classroom this whole time?
Maybe, because why would it want to leave the best classroom ever?
Yeah, good point. What a happy ending.
I found you. You're back, Speckles. I don't know how I lost you, because you were right here. I missed you, Speckles. I don't know where you went.
Super Dad!
Dad,
Huh?
one guess what happened today?
Let me see. Loose tooth?
Nope.
Oh. You sure?
Detectives just know.
Super Dad!
Dad, one guess what happened today?
Let me see. Can I have a hint? You did?
It's kind of like magic.
Hey, hon. Did you hear what happened to Kongsuni's tadpole?
Yeah, I did. Isn't that great news?
It sure is. Feeling better now?
Dad, it's the happiest frog ever. It boings across the classroom.
That's wonderful. You know the steps? How did it turn into a frog?
Well, it wiggled and wiggled till little buds came out. And then I guess stretch came the legs.
Huh?
And then it did a frog kick in the water. And then out popped the arms, just like this. Hey everyone, I'm a frog.
That's the best description I've ever heard. What do you say we read a book about them?
Yeah!
Perfect. This page tells all about it. See here? You're right about
She must
the
have
arm
dropped her
leg
bag in
buds.
all the excitement.
Look, the legs pop out right there.
Mom?
What's the matter?
Kongsuni, you didn't say you brought the frog home. Shoo! Get away!
I'll get you, Froggy.
Do something, honey!
Get back here.
Hurry! It's getting away!
It's special! Careful! Over there, under the couch. No.
Every time I think I'm gonna have a nice, quiet night. Well, maybe in my dreams.
Some for you. May I have more, please? You spelled it.
Dinosaurs should have better manners than that.
Var! I'm making my own rules. Var! This T-Rex rules the world.
Maybe he's just hungry.
Tomatoes will never stop a T-Rex. Huh? Guys, look up.
Oh, yeah? We know there's nothing there.
But there is! And it's standing right behind you.
What is?
A big tomato. Just look.
Ah!
Kongsuni, time for breakfast.
I'm coming, Mom.
There you are.
Huh?
What's the matter? Your favorite.
I don't like tomatoes anymore.
No? You've always loved them. What happened?
It's just...
Just try it. See, I made a special flower for you.
Ah! Run!
Okay, I'm running. Is this a game of tag? Okay, I'm coming to get you.
Run!
I am running. Faster?
You'll never catch me!
Okay, I'll go faster. Hungry yet?
Salad?
Why did you have to follow me all the way to school? Out, out, out.
Bye, carrots. Can't get me now.
Salad? You. Why do you keep showing up on my plate, tomato?
Yuck. It's all vegetables.
Remember when we talked about how important it is to try different foods? You should eat up everything on your plate.
Miss Karen, everything.
Miss Kim, how do we know what seeds we got?
You don't. You'll have to see what they turn into.
So, my plant can grow treasures?
In a way, yes. Seeds grow into plants, and plants make more seeds. It's a never-ending cycle of life, starting with you.
Oh, wow.
Everyone ready for an adventure?
Yes!
Can't wait to see it. Good morning,
Kids, I see you've been taking very good care of your seedlings. And everyone looks so different. What are some things that made your seeds start to grow into a plant?
Water, right?
And sunshine!
Very good. Water and sunlight and soil for the roots. And don't forget, the plants knew that you were taking good care of them, right?
Yes! So what is it? What's it gonna grow into?
I don't know. A jelly bean tree?
That'd be cool. Or maybe a cupcake bush.
I know! Strawberries! A strawberry bush! A really big one! could eat them whenever we wanted. And have them on our ice cream and with fancy tea parties. I'd feed you one. You'd say, oh, this is delicious.
Yes, please. But this is no strawberry.
It's not?
Doubt it.
There, red like a berry.
Kongsuni!
Huh?
Where are you, dear?
He's home. Coming!
One hint, huh? Well, then, is it something I like to eat?
You like it in pies, and sometimes it's in your cake.
It must be sweet, right?
So the next hint, kind of round, but not like a pumpkin.
Come on, I won't tell. Promise. Pinky promise?
Okay. I think it's strawberries.
Hope so.
Hey, Daddy, what's it take to be a good gardener?
Lots of patience. Just enough water and sunshine. Very careful observation, and talking to them never hurts.
Right. I'm gonna be the best gardener that there ever was.
All right. See those leaves? They remind me of a vegetable you used to like.
I'm still hoping for a berry bush.
And it might be. What do I know? You are the plant expert in the house, Kongsuni.
I think it's a berry bush. If I go to bed early, will I see the berries sooner? It's taking way too long.
I'm sorry, what? What's taking way too long?
My plant!
To grow, you mean? Are you following instructions?
Well, I think I am. I'm giving it lots of water and lots of sunshine.
Good.
The only thing I need now is for you to make a magic plant growing machine. Could you?
You want me to help?
Yeah, I do. Please?
I guess I could try. You want it to grow faster? This'll be a challenge.
If anyone can make my berry tree get big faster, I know you can.
I've got it covered.
I love it! It's gonna be so happy!
Kongsuni, it's getting late. You don't want to miss the bus.
Okay! This growing machine's perfect! You're safe and warm.
After that comes the fruit.
I don't get it. How does the flower turn into fruit?
It just does. See, look, here's when they're still little. After the flowers are finished, these little things start growing. I bet it doesn't even take very long.
Oh, my!
Oh, yeah. Are your berries ready yet?
They weren't this morning, but I'm hoping they'll be finished by the time I get home. I'm back! Did you miss me? No, how did my plant get hurt? Why are you so droopy? Are you feeling sad? Say something!
Oopsie. I guess I shouldn't have left it running all day. Looks like we overdid it.
I'm trying to give it first aid. Think it'll get better?
You know, plants are pretty tough most of the time. Then again, this one looks sad.
Maybe I should try moving it or add some more dirt. Do plants get cold?
Kongsuni, come tell me what you did at school.
Aw, that's okay. Accidents happen. Oh, cuddles make it all go away.
More cuddles! I got it all figured out. I know how to make my plant grow big and strong this time.
Just a second. See, I think I found what the problem was. The water was coming out too fast.
Maybe, but I just learned that I need to give it more love.
Okay, I'm all ears. Well, and feathers.
You see, it's not just light and water that count. It's letting it know that you care. Plants need lots of love, just like babies do. Let's go, Sao. The garden needs us.
Let's plant the seeds here. It's perfect timing.
Yahoo!
With lots of sun, a lovely breeze. Sprinkle some love and water too. And soon we'll see they'll start to grow. Strong and tall tomato plants.
Yo, Kongsuni!
Yo, Sao! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, always best of friends, yeah! With every day, the plants grow stronger. It's getting close to picking time. The leaves start falling, you know it's right. It seems like magic, but it's just nature. Growing our tomato plants.
Yo, Kongsuni!
Yo, Sao! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, always best of friends.
Whee! Yay!
Almost time to head home, sweetie.
Finally, it happened! Yay!
What's up?
Look, Mom and Dad, my first strawberry!
Well done. Exciting. Huh? Hang on, are you sure about this? Never seen one so round before.
Me neither, but I worked hard so that it would grow.
And I have no doubt that you did. Huh.
Know what? It'll get red and bumpy when it's old. But now it's smooth and round, just like Chloe.
You think so?
We know you're excited, but what if it's something different? You'll still love it, won't you?
Oh, don't worry, I'm not wrong. Just wait, this will be the best berry ever. You guys, come see. I grew my own fruit.
Hey, yeah, I see it. Hang on a second. That doesn't look like any fruit I've ever seen.
This must be an apple tree.
Not quite. Apple trees get really big. They take years to grow.
I know that. Take a look, mine's a strawberry.
Well, it's just a baby, and it's going to change a lot. Why don't we wait and see how it turns out? Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah! Strawberry. Hear that? You can take your time.